You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to make your phone's speaker volume louder. First, check the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone. Press the volume up button multiple times. On Android, also check the volume panel when you press the buttons. Tap the three dots to expand it and ensure the media volume slider is all the way up. In Settings, go to Sound and Vibration and look for an equalizer or sound enhancement like Dolby Atmos. Enable and adjust it. On iPhone, go to Settings, Music, EQ, and select Late Night, which boosts perceived volume. For both platforms, ensure nothing is blocking the speaker grill. Clean it gently with a soft brush. Disable any battery saver modes as they can limit volume. Check for software updates in your phone's settings, as updates can improve audio drivers. For a more significant boost, use a third-party app like Volume Booster from the Play Store for Android, but use caution as it can damage speakers. On any device, playing media in a small, hard surface room can make it sound louder. If volume is still low, your speaker may be damaged. Contact manufacturer support as a last resort. Use an external Bluetooth speaker. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.